Good morning, my green friends. You would all have most definitely seen or heard about the succulent beside me. Absolutely, it is the cactus. Cactus is probably the most popular succulent in the world. It has thick and fleshy stems to store water. It is native to America. There are more than 2,000 varieties of cactus available in different shapes and sizes. Did you know that cacti can live for more than an year without rainfall? This is because it stores water in its stems and, like all other succulents, doesn't need a lot of care or watering. Cacti need a relatively hot climate and should be kept in a sunny place. They are hardy but in cold climates require extra care. The soil needs to be well drained. Cacti in their natural habitats have long roots that penetrate deep into the soil to obtain moisture and water. A common but incorrect belief is that cactus has thorns. However, it has spines, which are actually its leaves that have become spines to prevent loss of water through transpiration. These spines also help in protecting the plant from any herbivores in the desert. The stem of the cactus plant carries out photosynthesis and provides nutrition to the whole plant in absence of the leaves. Since it is sunny during the day, evaporation is prevalent and thus transpiration increases. To prevent this, the stem of a cactus plant only opens its stomata during the night. At night, these plants store carbon dioxide and use it during the day for food manufacture. During the summers, cacti keep their stomata closed both day and night. This leads to a dormant phase where the plants don't grow at all. The stem has a waxy surface to prevent water loss. As you may know, there are almost 2,000 species of this plant. The average lifespan of a cactus plant may be anywhere between 10 to 200 years. Cacti in deserts produce attractive nectar for ants. In return, the ants attack any smaller animals that can easily pass through the spaces on the spines. The ants also attack bacteria and fungi that may otherwise discolor, cause disease, and even kill the plants. Did you know that some types of cacti also grow in mountainous regions? I'm sure that this easy to grow plant would be a welcome addition to your gardens. Please subscribe, like and share our post using the icons below. Visit us at Early Progressions Faridabad to know lots more. Please do check out some great recipes at mencanmakehomes.com. Bye for now. Stay safe.